Charles Francis Richter, in 1985, was an American seismologist and physicist best known for developing the Richter magnitude scale, which measured the strength of earthquakes. His contribution to seismology revolutionized the way scientists study and classify seismic activity. Early life and education. Richter was born on April 26, 1900 in Overpeak, Ohio, USA. He showed an early interest in science and pursued physics at Stanford University. Earning his bachelor's degree in 1920, he later continued his graduate studies at California Institute of Technology, where he developed a strong interest in seismology. Contribution to seismology: the Richter magnitude scale. In 1935, while working at the seismological laboratory of the Caltech, Richter collaborated with the German-born seismologist Benno Gutenberg to develop a logarithmic scale. For measuring earthquake magnitude, the Richter scale quantifies the energy released by earthquakes using seismic wave amplitude recorded by seismographs. This innovation allowed to scientists to compare earthquake intensities and systematically. Seismic wave analysis. Richter studied how seismic waves travel through the Earth crust, helping improve earthquake monitoring. Earthquake engineering. Earthquake engineering his research influenced building codes, making structures more resistant to seismic activity. Public education. He actively to work inform the public about earthquake risk and safety measures. And although later magnitude scales such as the movement magnitude scale have refined earthquake measurement, Richter scale remains the widely known. He dedicated his career to earthquake research, prediction efforts, and public awareness until his death on September 30, 1985. So conclude, Charles Richter contributions to seismology have had a lasting impact on both science and society. His pioneering work in earthquake measurement continues to influence researchers and engineering worldwide, making him one of the most important figures in science.